This is Dr. Ellen Sanders, a friend, a colleague, and an amazing physician. Ellen was taken from us too soon from glioblastoma. She was 38. She was a partner in my practice and an outstanding family medicine physician. In fact, she was the physician to many of my own family, and my cousin was her medical assistant for 7 years. I remember the evening that she interviewed at our practice. I was 9 months pregnant with my son, and I had the scheduled C-section the very next day. I was out on maternity leave for the next few weeks, and she texted me to let me know that she was taking the position. Not only did her practice grow, but her life grew. She had a son who was just 2 years old when this diagnosis was given to her. I will never forget the moment that Ellen texted me in February of 2022 after she was seen in the emergency room with a seizure. Not only was I her friend, but we often had mutual patients and talked about neurological diseases all the time. But this was different. This was her. She told me that they did an MRI in the emergency room and she was scared and she wanted me to look at it. I remember that moment like it was yesterday, logging into the computer in my kitchen and pulling up her MRI. As soon as I pulled up that image and looked at it, I knew. She went through additional testing, surgery, and was given the diagnosis of glioblastoma. I have made this diagnosis in many patients over the years, but having that conversation with a friend and a colleague is honestly one of the worst things that I've ever had to do. Ellen fought so hard during her diagnosis, surgery, chemotherapy, and radiation treatments. She continued to practice medicine. She didn't want to disappoint her patients. She continued to serve our community until she couldn't anymore, just a few months before she passed. I share Ellen's story because every patient that has this diagnosis has their own story. There is no cure for glioblastoma. The average survival after diagnosis is anywhere from 12 to 18 months. Science and research is our only hope to find better treatments and even a cure for this disease. So I have partnered with the Glioblastoma Research Organization to help raise money to help find a cure. Not only did we design these t-shirts to help the cause, but one of the women in our practice has handmade these friendship bracelets in Dr. Sanders' honor. 50% of all the proceeds will go towards brain tumor research. There are so many patients that get diagnosed with this disease, just like Dr. Ellen Sanders. Together we are stronger in hopes of making a difference.